I will present my technique for percutaneous cement-augmented screws. First, you place your Yamashita needle in the classical way, transpedicular, and after that, you remove the inner part of the Yamashita needle and bring your cement filling device, and then you have your control with the X-ray, and you see this picture. You see the cement filling device is in the middle of the vertebral body, and then you start with the connection with your cement filling device with the cement, and then you can bring in your cement in the vertebral body, and you control this under X-ray. You see first this picture, and after that you see this picture. You see the nice vertebroplasty in the vertebral body, and then you remove your cement filling device, bring in your guide wire, and then you see this one. The guide wire is anteriorly of the cement, and then you can bring your screw, and the thing is ready.